To find something within Stevenson Revit Families, click on your yellow folder, go to your desktop to then locate your Stevenson Revit Families folder. Then within that you can use this search bar. So let's see, I'm looking for a fireplace, and it's going to find all the different fireplaces that it has. So let's say I want this stone fireplace. I right click on it and I say open file location, and then it tells me where it's in. So Stevenson Revit Families Components Miscellaneous. So that's where I'll find it in Revit. So I go to Revit, Component, Load Family. I'm going to go to my desktop. I'm going to get to my Stevenson Revit Families, and then it said Components Miscellaneous. So Components Miscellaneous, and then what was the name of it? Stone Fireplace. Stone Fireplace. And hit open, and that's how you find your component.